to this YouTube channel, Marustic. So in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up RY Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial to your friend, and liking the tutorial. So let us start up our video. So we're going to start by opening Google Play Store, and once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search for RY Tunnel Lite VPN. So it is the application you're going to search. It is this one. Take note of the app icon, take note of the app name. So we're going to download, and after open, and this is how we're going to set it up. So this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to allow it to send notifications, and then check OK. Join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. So after, you're going to come right here at those three menu dots, and then check onto them. You're going to select this option, which is update notes. Then after, you're going to check OK. Now you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then you're going to choose a server that is near to your country's location. So make sure to keep closing all those pop-up adverts. Now these are the servers. Choose another server you want, provided that it is near to your country's location. And if you're not able to spot it out, come in the keep in the auto select server. And this is the last thing you're going to come. You're going to come right here, and then you're going to come from recommended to all countries. So if you're in Uganda, you can try out those networks. But if you want to connect to all countries, come where you see all countries, and then you're going to come and select this one, worldwide UDP hysteria. After, you're going to turn airplane mode on and then off, and then after, press the start button, then press OK. There you'll be able to connect to a secure connection using this application, RY Tunnel Lite. So guys, let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustic, and I sign out.